Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I'm here to share a haul, Dollar Tree haul, and a CCartwright sequence haul. First, this stuff from Dollar Tree. I have been searching high and low for these, and something said, Tasha, get off the bus, walk down the street to the Dollar Tree, and just check. And I started to not do it, but at the very last minute I got off the bus, and lo and behold, they had these. Oh my gosh, they are even more pretty in person. And if you can find them, go ahead on and get them. Like I said, they are gorgeous. I love it, even though they're not the best quality, but they are beautiful. And please forgive all of the noise that you hear in the background. Okay, and this is my first sequence haul from a sequence shop, I guess, or somebody that specializes in sequence. This card is not focusing, doesn't look like it, but it's called CCartwright Sequence, and they at CCartwright.com. Okay, and I got quite a few, I think, and some of them I don't think I meant to get, but it's okay because I need a fairly decent stash of sequins so I can try and make a pretty one. I haven't been successful at this yet, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Like these, for instance, and that's my AC coming on. And like I said, please forget the noise. Like these two. Let's see, these are seashells. I'm sorry for the interruption. But again, like I said, I got these two different sizes of shells. Not sure if I meant to do that, but I have them here. I can't see the name of one, but this one is white iris, and these are the, this is 12 by 14 millimeter shells, and this one is a 22 millimeter shell. Like I said, I don't think I meant to get two of them, but I have them, so it's no biggie. I got these white ones. These are 8 millimeter satin circles. I don't know if my thing is gonna pick these up on camera. Sometimes things like this make my camera wonky. These are just shapes. This says 6 millimeter metallic. These are moonshine 5 millimeter flowers. These are moonshine 20 millimeter flowers. These are moonshine 6 millimeter confetti. So these things focus? I guess not. And this one is clear Aurora Borealis 6 millimeter crystal. Crystal iris cupped flower. And I tried to do it kind of like with the the primary colors, but yeah. Anyway, these are peach. These are peach 15 millimeter flowers right here. These are bluebell 6 millimeter. These are oceanside confetti mix. These are so pretty. I love these. These are holographic, or the Aurora Borealis, or whatever you want to call it, but these are really pretty. Excuse me. I love these too. These are Skyline 6 millimeter crystal iris flower. And I apologize for this camera not focusing. I'm trying to test it to see which one will focus, and it doesn't look like any of them will. I guess maybe about like right there. Excuse me again. These are shapes. These are 7 millimeter metallic. I think that's gold. I want to say old gold, but I think that's just gold. Oh y'all, please, 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 please forgive the noise. These are shaped, what is this? 9 millimeter metallic gold. excuse me. These are fuchsia 8mm metallic circles. And these are pretty too. These are a tangy tangerine 10mm slightly cupped crystal opaque. These are some white glossy 10mm pointed snowflakes. And of course I got this when Christmas time comes around. I got 2 of these. This is why I said some of these things I don't think I really meant to get 2 because these are 2 of the same thing almost. I think one is a 6mm, one is an 8mm, something like that. Yeah, but they're both black with the iridescence. They're pretty, but I just didn't need 2. These are bats for Halloween time. And small bats, just as opaque black. And then can I pull out, get one? Oh my goodness. I would want to try this, right? Well, I ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna worry about it. These are some leaves, and these are so pretty too. These are dark jade 16mm opaque leaf. These are one of these dark purple 8mm satin circles. This one is bubblegum 4mm crystal iris cupped flower. These are ballerina pink 4mm crystal iris cupped flowers. That AB? I think that's considered AB. Anyway, this is light pink 8mm metallic circles. And you can compare it to the fuchsia and the other pinks. So that's the light pink. And last but certainly not least is the dark pink. What's this? 8mm metallic circle. So that's the dark pink. That's the light pink. And here's a fuchsia. So I tried to get some, quite a few of a few. I got some other secrets. The secrets that you get at the dollar store. I have some of those to play with while I try to get my mixing on. Try to learn how to do it and do it right. Okay, guys. I'm about to hit to bed, but that's it. Again, the sequence I got from Cartwright's Sequence, and that's CCartwright.com. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.